What you guys, got another video here for you on how to download the official Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft. Now, Microsoft have just released their official page to download their Windows 11 ISO. You can go over to this website here, which is the Microsoft website. I will leave the link in the video description. You do need to be a part of the Windows Insider Preview program to get the official Windows Insider Preview download. You can do that by checking your settings here, go into Start Settings, and then go to Windows Update. Now, I'm already on Windows 11, so as you can see, I am in the Windows Insider program. But if you're on Windows 10, you can go to Windows Update and join the Windows Insider program, and basically you'll be able to update to Windows 11 if you want to. But if you want to get your hands on the actual official ISO, instead of downloading the Windows 11 ISO from one of those dodgy sites, then this is how you can get the official Windows 11 ISO. So head over to that page and then sign in with your Windows Insider credentials. This will be your email address and your password. This will be for your Microsoft account to prove that you have actually joined the Windows Insider program. So sign in with these details here. You can put a tick in here to keep you signed in if you wish. Sign in and you will then be presented with this page, which gives you all the information you're going to need if you want to roll out and install Windows 11. There's virtually every bit of information you're going to require here to get up and running. So you can see how to download the Windows Insider Preview ISO. It gives you on Windows 10 Settings, Update and Security Windows Insider Program, or Windows 11 Settings, Windows Update and Windows Insider Program. You can see that down the bottom there. The website also gives you information on how to do an in-place upgrade. If you want to learn how to do that, you can also check my channel out. It also tells you about how to do a clean install in case you want to do a fresh install of Windows 11. It also gives you information on how to activate Windows, as you can see here. And then when you come down to the bottom, this is where you'll be able to officially download the Windows 11 Insider Preview. You can see the dev channel and the beta channel. The beta channel is the latest version, and you've got the dev channel there. You've got some other versions here, depending on where you are in the world, whether you're in China and places like that. You can download your selection. Once you've selected it and confirmed, you can then choose your language. Once you choose your language, you can confirm this. It will validate your request, and then up will come the page for you to officially download the 64-bit version of Windows 11. And that will start to download in the bottom left-hand corner here. As you can see, we're getting the official download here. And once you've got that, you can create your bootable USB flash drive and do a fresh install or do an in-place upgrade. But before you do that, you might want to check to make sure your computer is compatible. You can do that with the tool Why Not Win 11. There is an official tool from Microsoft, but that doesn't work very well. This one is a lot more easier to understand and follow, so I always recommend using this one. And as you can see here, I've already got Windows 11 on my system, and it's basically checking all my PC to make sure it's compatible and ready for Windows 11. As you can see, I'm already ready to go. I've got Windows 11 on here. Been using Windows 11 since it was released. It's very stable, and I do like Windows 11 quite a lot. You can see the download as now completed. You can do what you need with that ISO. You can create a bootable USB flash drive with Windows 11 on it to do a fresh install, or you can do an in-place upgrade, or you can do whatever you like with that ISO. Pretty much that is how you can download the official Windows 11 Insider Preview ISO from Microsoft. Try to stay away from some of those dodgy sites out there, because you're only going to end up getting infected. So this is the official way of downloading it. Anyway, my name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. A big shout out to all my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I do really appreciate that support, and I shall see you again for another video real soon. Have a lovely weekend, and I shall see you on the Discord server if you fancy a chat. Bye for now.